This video talks about how your credit report and your credit in general shows your character. Now, we talk about the 5 C's in our series, and one of the 5 C's of credit, the first one in fact, is character. But it's so important to understand exactly what that means. So when you look at your credit report, what do you see and what does a lender see more importantly? They may, for instance, notice that you pay everything on time. I think that is an excellent indication of your character because it means that you're stable. It means that you are consistent in paying your bills. All lenders want to see that. So what else can they see? They look at, for instance, your utilization. What does that mean? How much do you use your credit cards? How much debt do you accumulate? It is very important for lenders to see that your utilization is not out of control, because what that means is they may be afraid that you will not be able to pay your obligations. So you want to keep a good percentage of usage. It also means, in terms of character, that you are a good steward of the resources that have been entrusted to you. In general, all of this means one character and one characteristic: trustworthiness. Every lender wants to know that you are trustworthy and that they can rely on you to pay back your obligations and to be honorable. One more thing that I notice is inquiries. Do you over apply for credit? This is not a good indication of your character. You can actually look like you're desperate if you're not careful. So you definitely want to show that you're a good planner and that you take those inquiries seriously. All of this, bottom line, is what you want to display to lenders, that they can trust you. If you don't feel your credit report properly reflects who you feel you are, I would highly suggest that you watch the rest of our series on the 5 C's and subscribe to our channel. That way we can continue to coach you through a lot of the other variables that lenders and others will be looking for.
The Money Mastery app is your all-in-one tool for transformation, mindset, methods, and manifestation. Download it now and start thriving. Your new money story starts here.